how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to figure out how we can find out if someone has blocked us on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you happen to think that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, you can try opening the WhatsApp application. Now normally when you just go to their page, it might actually say that user not found, or this person is no longer available, and you would also want to see their profile picture. But it could also mean that they could have deleted their account in this case. So what I want you to do is, if you have someone, maybe a friend or sibling, anyone in your family, just try to use their WhatsApp account, add this person as a contact, because chances are you have their phone number, and see if you can send them a message from the other WhatsApp account with a different number, because chances are that if you can message or call them from the other WhatsApp account from the different number, could be of anyone's, and you cannot do them from your very own account, 100% it means that you have been blocked, and this is a surefire way to figure it out. So this way you can actually find out if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.